Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes. And in this video, I am going to discuss about bitwise operation in Python. Okay, so in my previous video, I have discussed how to do data conversion, that is from decimal to binary, decimal to hexadecimal, decimal to octal, all those things. And I have also discussed about logical operations like a logical and, logical or, logical not. Those were used to check the condition. Suppose I am giving 4 greater than 5 and suppose I am writing or 5 less than 7. So 4 greater than 5 is false, but 5 less than 7 is true, so we will be getting output as true. Like that, this is logical and or operation, right? So if I write and, what will happen? It will give us false, because for and both the conditions has to be true. Now this and or these things can be used for bitwise operation also. Okay, so syntax will differ, that I will discuss, but these concepts will same like we study in digital logic design. Suppose I am writing x equal to 3 and writing y equal to 6. Okay, so let me just print the binary representation of x. Okay, let me just for the time being remove y. Print x, I'll be getting 0b11, which you all know that binary representation of 3 is 11, right? So now y equal to 6, and then similarly let me just copy this code and let me just print the binary representation of y. So we'll be getting 0b110. Okay, now we want to do bitwise suppose and operation. Okay, so basically this 0b is indicating this is binary, that's all. So our original number is binary number is 11 and this is 110. Actually here this is 2-digit number, this is 3-digit number. So when you want to do bitwise operation, we have to add 0 in the beginning, right? So 011 and 110. Now we will be doing bitwise operation. So first one, 0, I am starting from here. Let me, yeah, 0 and 1. 0 and 1, what it will give as output? 0, right? Because whenever we do AND operation, if any of the input is 0, output will be 0. 1 1, what should be output? 1, because both are 1, right? And then this one 0 1 0 1, again when you are doing AND operation, obviously you should get output as 0, because if 1 is 0, output will be 0. So 0 1 0, what is this 0 1 0? This is binary representation of 2, right? So we want to achieve this one. Okay, that is after doing bitwise AND operation, we want to get the number. So what we will do, the rule is x, write the first number and then give this symbol. Okay, and y. See, try to understand the difference between bitwise and logical and. Logical and AND you have to write, but if you are doing bitwise and, then you have to give this ampersand symbol. Okay, if I run, see what output we are getting? 2, which is basically the bitwise and result of x and y. Now bitwise OR. Okay, let me just remove this result. So 0 and 1, what will be OR output? 1, right? 1 and 1, what will be OR output? 1, right? 0 and 1, what will be OR output? 1. So if we perform OR, bitwise OR operation between 3 and 6, we will be getting output as 1 1 1. Okay, how you can achieve this in Python? So for that you have to use this symbol. Okay, right? All right, see, try to understand. This is what? This is binary representation of 7, right? I hope you know 111 is 7. Now if I run, see, I will be getting output as 7. So this is how we perform bitwise OR. Remaining one very important, that is bitwise XOR. Okay, so XOR, let us start. So what is XOR get? Same input, output 0. Different input, output is 1. Or we can say like reverse way, if there are odd number of ones, output will be 1. If there are even number of ones, output will be 0. Okay, 0 1, see, odd number of 1, output is 1. Or you can assume like this, different number, output is 1. Next 1 1, same number, output 0, XOR output 0 1, XOR output 1. So 1 0 1, this is what number? 101 is 5, right? Because this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 2, that is 4, plus 1, that is 5. For XOR, bitwise XOR, you have to give this power type symbol. Generally, we use in other language like that. So if you run, see, you will be getting 5. Okay. So this will give us the bitwise XOR result. So this is what about our today's video. We have discussed bitwise AND, we have discussed bitwise OR, and we have discussed bitwise XOR. Okay. These are very helpful for practical application, different programming question, okay, in placement process. Surely it will help you in competitive programming. Later I will show you with examples. Okay, this is all for my this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Thank you.